Today we're visiting Chawton in Hampshire, which actually isn't very far from where I live, and behind me is the home in which Jane Austen lived. It's now the Jane Austen Museum, and it turns out that not only was she an author, but she's quite a seamstress too. So we're going to go in and have a look at the lovely coverlet that she and her family made, but we're also going to see some quilts that were made by the community with the help of Lucy Bailey and her community sewing project.
And there's over 3,000 diamonds
in
the coverlet. So it's a coverlet, not a quilt.
And this was your little project, wasn't it, Lucy?
It has been, yeah, for the past year.
For the past year, my goodness.
Yes.
And you've got loads of people involved.
Absolutely. For this particular quilt, we've had 180 people contribute to it. And then we've had 100 people contribute to a second quilt. So around about 300 people from all over the world.